Have you ever wondered if you can start an online business using only AItools today? Many people think business needs money, teams, and years of experience to succeed. Today you will discover how AI can help you build a business from nothing. This video will reveal simple steps to create, grow, and scale using AI. Like, share, and subscribe so you never miss powerful digital business strategies. 10. Choose a simple niche. You must start by selecting a clear niche that solves a real problem. AItools can help research trending topics, customer pain points, and demand quickly. Choosing a niche allows focused effort instead of wasting time on random ideas. A clear niche makes marketing, content, and product creation much easier consistently. AI can analyze competitors and show gaps where you can create better value. Avoid broad markets and focus on specific audiences with clear needs fully. This increases your chances of success and faster growth in early stages. Niche clarity helps you build authority and trust with your audience gradually. Starting small allows better control and learning before scaling operations fully. This is why choosing the right niche is always the first important step. 9. Validate your idea fast. Before building anything, you must test if people are interested in your idea. AItools can generate surveys, landing pages, and content to test demand quickly. You can create simple offers and measure clicks, sign-ups, or feedback easily. Validation prevents wasting time on ideas that have no real market demand. AI can also analyze online discussions to understand customer interest and behavior. Testing ideas early allows you to adjust and improve before full development. This step reduces risk and increases chances of building a profitable business fully. Many beginners skip validation and fail because nobody wants their product. Data-driven decisions help you build something people actually need consistently. This is why validation is critical before moving to the next step. 8. Create products using AI. AI can help you create digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates quickly. You can generate content, structure, and design without needing expert-level skills. This reduces cost and allows faster product creation compared to traditional methods. AItools can also help edit, improve, and optimize content for better quality. Digital products are scalable and can be sold multiple times without extra effort. You should focus on solving a clear problem with your product value fully. AI speeds up creation, but you must ensure usefulness and clarity always. Testing small versions before full launch helps improve quality and relevance consistently. Product creation becomes faster, cheaper, and more accessible using AItools. This is how beginners can enter business without large investments today. 7. Build an audience with AI. An audience is one of the most valuable assets in any online business. AI can help generate content for social media, blogs, and video platforms quickly. Consistent content builds trust and attracts people interested in your niche gradually. AItools can suggest topics, headlines, and scripts that increase engagement significantly. You should focus on providing value rather than just promoting products constantly. Building an audience takes time but creates long-term business stability fully. Email lists, followers, and subscribers become future customers for your products. AI helps maintain consistency and reduces effort required for content creation daily. Strong audience connections lead to higher conversions and business growth consistently. This is why audience building is essential for long-term success in business. 6. Automate operations fully. AI allows you to automate many business tasks that normally require manual work. Customer support, email responses, and content scheduling can be handled automatically. Automation saves time and allows focus on growth and strategy instead of routine tasks. iChat systems can answer customer questions instantly without human involvement consistently. Automation reduces costs and improves efficiency across all parts of your business fully. You can manage operations even while sleeping or focusing on other activities. Systems ensure consistent performance without depending on constant personal effort fully. Automation also improves customer experience with faster responses and better service quality. This creates a scalable system that grows without increasing workload constantly. This is why automation is a powerful advantage of AI-based businesses. 5. Use AI for marketing. Marketing is easier when AI helps create content, ads, and campaigns quickly. AI can generate social media posts, emails, and advertisements that attract attention effectively. It can also analyze performance and suggest improvements for better results consistently. Targeting the right audience becomes easier with data-driven insights from AItools. You can test multiple campaigns quickly and choose what works best efficiently. AI reduces the need for large marketing teams or expensive agencies fully. Consistent marketing builds visibility and brings steady traffic to your business daily. You should focus on clear messaging that solves problems for your audience always. Marketing becomes faster, smarter, and more effective using artificial intelligence tools. This helps beginners compete with larger businesses using limited resources fully. 4. Build systems, not tasks. Successful businesses rely on systems rather than constant manual work every day. AI helps create workflows that run automatically without needing continuous attention fully. Systems include content creation, customer management, and sales processes consistently. This allows your business to operate smoothly and efficiently at all times. Building systems early prevents burnout and supports long-term growth effectively. AItools can connect different parts of your business into one smooth process. Systems create stability and make scaling much easier over time consistently. You should design processes that repeat and improve automatically with minimal effort fully. This approach transforms a simple idea into a scalable business model quickly. Systems are the foundation of every successful AI-driven online business today. 3. Scale with leverage. Once your business works, you must focus on scaling using leverage effectively. AI allows you to reach more people without increasing time or effort significantly. Content, ads, and automation systems can run at larger scale easily. Leverage multiplies results without requiring proportional increases in work or cost fully. You can expand into new markets, products, or audiences using AItools consistently. Scaling requires monitoring results and adjusting strategies based on performance data fully. AI provides insights that help make better decisions during growth phases constantly. Leverage ensures your business grows faster than traditional manual methods consistently. This is how small online businesses become large digital brands over time fully. Scaling with leverage is essential for long-term success in AI businesses today. 2. Learn and adapt continuously. The digital world changes quickly, so you must keep learning new tools constantly. AI evolves rapidly, and new opportunities appear for those who stay updated regularly. Learning helps you improve strategies, products, and marketing methods over time fully. You should test new ideas and adapt based on results and feedback consistently. Continuous improvement ensures your business remains competitive and relevant always. AI can also help you learn faster by summarizing information and generating insights quickly. Adapting to change is a key skill for long-term business survival fully. Those who stop learning often fall behind in fast-moving digital markets consistently. Growth requires flexibility and willingness to improve constantly every single day. This mindset ensures long-term success in an AI-driven business environment fully. 1. Focus on value always. No matter how advanced AI becomes, value remains the core of any business. You must solve real problems and provide meaningful benefits to your audience consistently. AI is only a tool that helps deliver value faster and more efficiently fully. Customers stay loyal when they receive solutions that improve their lives significantly. Focus on quality, clarity, and usefulness in everything you create always. Value builds trust, and trust leads to sales and long-term growth consistently. Business success depends on helping others, not just making money quickly. AI can enhance delivery, but human understanding of needs remains essential fully. Consistent value creation ensures your business grows sustainably over time completely. This is the ultimate principle for building a successful AI-based online business. Now you understand how to start an online business using only AI tools effectively. These steps allow anyone to build, grow, and scale without large resources or teams. Focus on niche, validation, systems, and value to create long-term success consistently. Share this video with friends who want to start a digital business today. Subscribe and comment below what kind of AI business you want to build first.